Alright, so I do have to apologize for having the volume down or off on my camera. I do apologize, it's a rookie mistake. I never made that mistake ever before, so I do apologize. But basically what I was trying to do in this video is explain to you guys how the LED facial mask, which just means light emitting diode, LED, and that's the mask on the back wall hanging just waiting to be used. Looks like the Jason mask or the Michael Myers mask. It's all white, but it's wonderful for your skin and skin rejuvenation, skin repair, skin movement, blood movement, and lymphatic system, or your lymphatic nodes or nodules to respond and move as well, which are your detoxifiers in your lymphatic system. Gets rid of toxins and all types of other inflammation. Those are your garbage system. And it fights infections as well. So this mask aids in any type of skin rejuvenation, cell growth, elastin fibers or collagen fibers to grow, to heal and repair, to come together. And so all I'm going through in the video right now is explaining to you what the different lights are and the colors. So if you watch as I put the mask on my client's face, I'm explaining in the video how once it's on top of her face, she's going to feel maybe 8 little small nodes, which are little knobs that hit your face in 4 different pressure points on each. bit of hyperpigmentation, but it's more red or caused by blood or irritations on the skin on the inside. So you need something to go down way down and deep to fix things. And see that purple light that's blinking right now? Purple is more of a skin rejuvenation for like deep wrinkles. Purple, rejuvenation. Just remember, purple is always going to be rejuvenating. That's why, like, when you go to church, you see the purple on the cross because God is rejuvenating life, into all of us. And that's just a remembrance of why we choose that color, God's favorite color, purple. So remember that red light is going deep down in there and getting rid of fine lines, wrinkles, anti-aging nonsense from sun damage, hyperpigmentation as well. So it's going to pulsate and blink to different levels and light levels, and that's to help out the skin. No matter what skin condition you have, it can help. So now we're going to listen to some nice relaxing music because I don't want to talk to you or bore you to death, because right now I wasn't talking anyway. I was basically talking to my client, recording and telling her what's going on with the lights. You can keep your eyes open because you have eye holes, a mouth hole, and a nose hole, and so you can still breathe. See how I'm lifting up the neck plate? The neck plate goes on for if you have sagging skin or jowls. Jowling is pretty much double chin, triple chin, quadruple chin if you have it. That's actually a procedure that's surgical. You need to get that handled otherwise through a surgeon. If you have a quad chin, that's crazy. It means you're just obese and very overweight. But she's definitely not. She's in outstanding shape, and she never wants to get to that turkey giblet or a little gobble thing that you see on certain skin types 1 to 2, and they have that stress neck. You don't want that type of neck problems. So right now, she's going through her facial LED and the neck LED. I tell you, this treatment alone in the Medi Spa that I work in on the weekends, on Friday and Saturday mornings, this treatment by itself is $300. By itself. That's not including your facial. That's not including anything else. By itself, 300. And people come in and they spend a fortune just for this. But it does work. It has not been beneficial to anyone I've ever met. It's been most beneficial to people that I've met. Not saying that it does not work. It totally works. So as you guys can see, the neck plate, it's green outlining, but underneath, so say I raise this up, so see, you see all those lights, and that's what it looks like on the inside of the mask. And so this part is getting the neck area, and even though I have the wires, I actually should have put this on the opposite side of the face. The wires shouldn't be right there on the neck, but this is just showing you for our little intents and purposes. So she can still breathe, she can still see outside, she has a little nose hole, the mouth hole, and the eyes. So underneath the head, those lights as well. So let's go to another color. So remember, blue's for acne. It kills those P. acnes, those bacteria. And so does the purple bacteria as well, without the P. acnes. P. acnes specifically are attracted by the blue light. Then bacteria, which lingers in the air, mold, spores, and fungus, and all the other good stuff, is attracted by purple light. Then we go to another color. So we have green again. I just did green. Oh, there's the purple. Remember bacteria. And you have your blinking effects after a while. You can leave it, it's just pulsating. And those are your levels of light. And back to your red. And then now it just changes different colors. You have different modes. So if somebody comes in with, they have a multitude of problems, acne, scars, marks, inflammation, they just had post-surgery, you kind of want to put it on the different color modes. So what does it look like when the lights are turned off? Because that's when I would really use it, and it's the best way to use it. So right, so you see how it could change? It's like going from bright red, bright green, lower green, bright green, lower blue, bright blue, just changing colors back and forth. And again, for that neck area, so remember, somebody has that turkey giblet, that little gobble, that little thin piece of skin. This little piece right here is for the neck. And so you just lower it down, and it takes care of the neck area. And this is how it works. So you sit here in the darkness for about 5-10 minutes, take a siesta, a nap, and then you're good to go. I had to get a full aerial view of the mask. Okay, we're doing good.